So all you want to do is just go from here to here, here to here, like that, cross pattern. And all you want to do is just tie it in just a little bit. You don't want to go too hard because then you're going to break the pan and you're going to have to start this job over. So now let's go to the top and put this transmission fluid. Now we're going to fill it up with transmission. In case you don't know where exactly the location is at where you can fill it, is right here. It has this cap right here. So all you have to do is turn it and it comes out. This is the only thing that's in there. And I just want to read something that it says here. It says, for dealer use only. You get it? Only the dealers can service the transmission according to them. So if you take it to the dealer, make sure you got about $300 with you in your pocket. So now, this is what we're going to fill it up. So I bought this dipstick right here. It's pretty long and it has a chart. Like I said, I have never used this before, and we're going to follow the directions that it has. It comes with a extra gasket, and it also comes with a extra cap for you can cover it once again. So according to this chart, first let me show you the transmission dipstick. It's pretty long, as you can see it. Now it has numbers here, and these numbers, I don't know if you can see that, supposed to be in millimeters. It has 20, 30, 40, 50, and it keeps going up all the way to 120. So now we have to go to this chart right here, and in front of the chart it has whatever car you are working on. So in this situation, I'm working on a Dodge Charger 2008, so I gotta find Dodge Charger somewhere here. Right here, Dodge Charger from 2006 through 2010, 2.7L. And then what we're gonna do when we go to the back, you're gonna look for the transmission type. And the transmission type for this is 42RLE. That's 42RLE. So you're gonna go to the back. And in the back it has 4 pictures. And this is the one we're looking for. Charge 8. 42RLE. And it has numbers in there. So we both, like I said, we're gonna learn this together. And according to the charge, for the minimum, when you put the camera turned off for me, so let's start all over again. As you can see, the code target, I saw it down here. Code target 19 millimeters. If it's a hard target, you want it at 16 millimeters. Then I also read in the back, when it's cold, it has to be at least 2 minute idle. And if you're gonna do it hot, it has to be 15 plus miles of driving. We're gonna be doing in the cold, so our target is 19 millimeters in the dipstick. So let's start putting this transmission fluid on it. Now I'm using this funnel here. One of my friends got it for me. I like it because you can see it's flexible. And all we're gonna do is just put it there. And we're gonna start putting our transmission. What I'm gonna do, our transmission fluid, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 2 quarts first, and I'm gonna check it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put another one, and then we're gonna check it together. So what I did was I put 4 quarts of transmission fluid, not 2, I put 4. So now what we're going to do, we're going to follow the paper instruction to run it for 2 minutes idle. And we wouldn't do it, we're going to check it together. Our goal is to reach 19 millimeters. So what we're going to do is just clean this up first. Take this out of here. Put the cap back. And let's go running for 2 minutes. I ran the car for 2 minutes, so let's check it. We're going to use that dipstick. Remember, it has numbers in it, and this is pretty long. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it in, and when you hear it, you're going to hear when it reaches the bottom. See that? Now that it reached the bottom, our target is 19 millimeters. So it's not even touching at all. So in this situation, what we have to do is just add little by little and keep checking it, because remember, our transmission pan doesn't have a bowl to take out. If you put too much, you're going to have to take out the whole pan. So let me add little by little. 4 quarts did not even reach. It looked like it just got here, and we're trying to reach 19 millimeters right here. So let me keep filling it up, and I'll tell you what was the end result. So in total, I added 6 quarts of transmission fluid and a little bit. Now we're going to check it and see what we got. Remember, our target is 19 millimeters while it's cold. Okay. Oh, right there, right on the money. So 6 quarts and a little bit of transmission fluid filled up the transmission pan on this 2008 Dodge Charger. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.